Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For some repairs, you will need to disassemble your refrigerator's water and ice dispenser. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance. Your first step is to pull off the drip tray and remove the dispenser cover screws. Next, lift the cover up and off. Then disconnect the wire harness. You can remove the dispenser control module by uninstalling the screws. Pull the water supply tube out and move the module away from the door. When the repair is complete, reposition the dispenser control module and slide the water supply tube into place. Reinstall the screws. Reconnect the wire harness and slide the dispenser cover down into position. Secure it with the screws and snap the drip tray into place. You're now ready to plug the appliance back in.